Hey everyone! Welcome to Compare Core, your go-to place for honest tech and product comparisons. Today, we're diving into something every clean home needs: the best carpet cleaners of 2025. Now listen, the market is flooded with options, and let's be real, some of them just don't get the job done. That's why I've put together this list of the top 5 carpet cleaners you should actually consider before spending a dime. We'll look at deep cleaning power, pet stain removal, quick dry tech, and of course, bang for your buck. So before you hit that Buy Now button, watch this video first. You'll thank yourself later. Let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Carpet Cleaner. And yeah, this thing means business. Unlike most steam cleaners, this one actually produces real steam, making it a total beast on deep stains. We tested it on set-in mustard and red wine, and it handled them like a champ. It's got a quick dry mode that leaves your carpets dry in under 30 minutes, which is a game changer. You also get 3 cleaning modes, a 25-foot power cord, and 2 tools, one for pet hair and another for tough stains. Downside? It's a little heavy at 31 pounds, and it leaves some suds on the backstroke. But a couple of extra passes, and you're good. If you want professional-level cleaning at home, this Bissell is a solid start. Number 2 is the Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. And if you've got pets, this one's built with you in mind. This machine takes out the guesswork by automatically mixing the cleaner and water. No measuring, no mess. Just push it forward to clean and pull it back to dry. That's it. It even has a dry-only mode with heat to speed up drying. And the best part? You can treat stains without even bending over thanks to the built-in pre-treater wand. With an 8-foot hose and a decent 22-foot power cord, you'll reach stairs and furniture easily. Though, yeah, the cord's a bit shorter than some others. It weighs only 20.5 pounds, which is super manageable. And testers said it pulled out more dirt than their vacuums. Now that's impressive. Number 3 is the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. And this little guy is a TikTok legend for a reason. It's lightweight, portable, and super easy to use. We're talking just 9.6 pounds. So, yeah, you can carry it anywhere. It comes with large 48-ounce tanks, which means less stopping to refill. The 4-foot hose lets you hit tight spots and awkward angles like a pro. And the Hydro Rinse tool is a lifesaver for keeping it fresh and odor-free. Storage? A breeze. The cord and hose wrap neatly around the unit, and the compact design fits perfectly on stairs. Only downside? You do need to dilute the cleaner manually, but it's a small trade-off for what you get. If you're looking for power plus portability, this one's tough to beat. Number 4 is the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. And this thing is an absolute beast. We're talking pro-level performance at home. It's got a massive 1.75-gallon tank, and the spinning flow indicator shows you exactly when it's time for a refill. Even though it weighs over 40 pounds, the fold-flat handle makes it easier to store than you'd expect. The 25-foot power cord and 9-foot hose give you serious reach. No need to stop mid-clean to switch outlets. And yeah, it left our carpet soft and not soaked, which is a big win. Only downside? It's heavy. Like, you might need a workout partner to get it upstairs. But if you want deep cleaning power that's built like a tank, this is it. Number 5 is the Bissell CrossWave Wet Dry Vacuum. And this one's all about versatility. It vacuums dry debris, cleans wet spills, and even freshens low-pile rugs, all with one device. It's completely cordless and gives you up to 30 minutes of runtime. so no tangling wires or outlet hopping. Perfect for bare floors, area rugs, and tight spaces, thanks to its slim, compact design. Now, it doesn't go super deep on thick carpets, and the dust cup's a bit small, but that's not a deal breaker. Bonus, it self-cleans when docked, so you're not stuck scrubbing brushes afterward. If you need something quick, light, and super easy to use, this little guy gets the job done. All right, y'all. That wraps up our list of the best carpet cleaners you can get right now. If this video helped you out, or you just enjoyed hanging with me, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS product rundowns, and hey, drop comment and let me know which one you're thinking about picking up, or if there's another one you swear by. I read every comment, so don't be shy. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and your carpets, and I'll catch you in the next one.